Stock number EC5020, 2006 Chevy Avalanche, 5.3 liter, automatic 4-speed, 4-wheel drive, 143,913 miles. It is hit in the right side. Some usable pieces in the front. This fender is bad, the door is bad. The hood has got rust around the latch area. Otherwise it's pretty usable. This side is no good. A lot of rust down low. Tailgate is good. Rear bumper is good and usable. It does have the hard tops. And this side's rusty down low. Doors are rusted on the bottom on this side. This one is completely rusted out the corner. A little bit of rust down low on the fender. Some usable parts in the front. Got some pitting, normal stuff to it. There's reverse. There's drive. Inside, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, gray cloth interior, 40-20-40 front seat with a power left side. The right seat obviously is no good. Back seat has some issues with being squished. Aftermarket radio that works. Temp control. Let's see if we can get some miles to light up. There's miles.